If you're looking for information on the Interactly.video Lifetime deal and review, you've come to the right place. The Interactly.video Lifetime deal was launched on AppSumo with a significant discount, and in this video, we'll share all the details of the deal. We'll cover what the lifetime deal entails, what features are included, and whether or not we think it's worth taking advantage of. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to know about the Interactly.video Lifetime deal so that you can make an informed decision about whether or not it's right for you. Build trust and convert more with interactive video forms. Enhance your lead generation, meeting bookings, and conversions by utilizing interactive video forms that provide a human touch, leading to increased trust. How it works: no coding, just clicks. Create videos. Create videos easily with your phone using recording tools like Loom, Vidyard, Zoom Recording, or AI tools like Synthesia, Hagen, DID. Add interactions. Create personalized video panels with branded design and interactive features to collect various types of data and drive personalized conversations. Install. Experience the magic with Interactly videos on your website or a unique link for promotion on other channels like SMS, email, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, etc. Why is Interactly Video the best conversion rate optimization tool for B2B and B2C? Trust plays a vital role in the success of businesses operating in both B2B and B2C domains. However, traditional website content fails to establish genuine connections, resulting in low average conversion rates of 2.23% and 2.35% respectively. To address this issue, businesses can adopt Interactly Video's people-centric approach by featuring real individuals in their videos. This strategy can help build authentic relationships, instill trust, and ultimately increase conversions. Amplify lead generation. Transform your text forms and videos with Interactly Video. Add interactive elements to engage visitors and turn them into active leads. Upgrade your inquiry forms, explainer videos, sign-up forms, and exit pop-up forms. Book more meetings. Convert book or demo videos into interactive experiences to book more meetings. Integrates with Calendly and HubSpot meetings. Instant product demos. Improve the demonstration process of your book by providing customized pitches that can lead to quicker conversions. You can add your product demos from various sources such as YouTube, Loom Recordings, Zoom Recordings, and QuickTime Recordings. Boost webinar registrations. Increase your webinar registration rates by utilizing interactive videos featuring teaser clips from your speakers. This feature can be seamlessly integrated with Zoom Webinar Form, GoToWebinar Form, or a custom form. Accelerate subscribers list. By creating captivating and participatory content, you can increase the number of subscribers and widen your reach while also nurturing potential prospects. Consider updating your subscription forms such as those for newsletters, ebooks, and white papers, case studies, and industry reports. Maximize video reviews. Increase customer engagement and gather valuable insights by using personalized video forms. Boost response rates by sending interactive video review form links via email, WhatsApp, or SMS. Interactly Video is a platform for creating interactive video forms to generate leads and increase conversions. The platform allows for easy creation of forms with branching paths and supports various question types. Visitors can upload rich media to dynamically respond to forms, and a booking calendar can be embedded in videos. The platform offers professionally designed themes that can be customized to reflect a brand's personality. Videos can be hosted on any website and shared via embedded iframes, call-to-action buttons, or corner chat widgets. The platform is mobile responsive and offers analytics to track visitor interactions and lead forms. Integration with Zapier allows for connection to other workflow tools. Interactly Video provides everything needed to create interactive, mobile responsive video forms and convert visitors into leads. Why are you let? Get lifetime access to Interactly Video today. One-time purchase of $59 only. 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it out for 2 months to make sure it's right for you.